When I say the third part of your financial statements in your syllabus is cash flow statement, you better understand one thing. Cash flow statement यानी nothing but your cash balance as on 31st March 2009 is asking cash balance as on 31st March 2010 के हम दोनों में डिफरेंस कितना है और क्यों है. Now there could be reasons due to which your cash and bank balance will increase, but there could be reasons due to which your cash and bank balance will decrease also. For many business organizations which survived for a number of years because they could manage their cash flow properly, and for many organizations, even after surviving for several years, perhaps they did not achieve cash flow management properly. So after several years of ruling or several years of struggle in the market, still they went down. आपके पास ना तो आइडल फंड्स होने चाहिए बैंक अकाउंट में, ना आपके पास कम फंड्स होने चाहिए बैंक अकाउंट में. So how you generate money, how you make payments will be very vital for your business survival. So all organizations will take care of their cash flow. आपने घर में भी सुना होगा, if you have got business, family business, blah blah blah, वे कैश फ्लो बराबर नहीं है या कैश फ्लो देखना पड़ेगा. Right? Okay. So primary objective of cash flow statement is to help management in taking decisions and making a plan by providing current information on cash inflow and outflow of any accounting period. Well, it helps in many things so that you can refer. Users of cash flow statements are also many, but now let us go straight away to the main discussion, for which we are going to attempt this chapter. That is, a question can be asked in question number 4 and 5. So what we are going to do, as per accounting standard 3, a cash flow statement should be presented in a manner that it reports inflow and outflow of cash by classifying business transactions for a specific period into 3 categories. Underline. इनफ्लो या आउटफ्लो, आपको बिजनेस की ऑपरेशंस को, कैश की ऑपरेशंस को, कैश इनफ्लो कैश आउटफ्लो को आपको 3 कैटेगरीज में डिवाइड करना पड़ेगा. ऑपरेटिंग एक्टिविटीज मेन, सेकंड इज इन्वेस्टिंग एक्टिविटीज एंड थर्ड इज फाइनेंसिंग एक्टिविटीज. ऑपरेटिंग, इन्वेस्टिंग एंड फाइनेंसिंग. नाउ लुक एट दिस फॉर्मेट. रट्टा मारना नहीं, समझना है. विल बी गिवन नेट प्रॉफिट फ्रॉम ऑपरेटिंग एक्टिविटीज. No, we will be given net profit in trading and profit loss account. Our object is to find out net profit from operating activities. So what we do is, in this net profit we add all non-cash or non-operating items. We also add depreciation because it's a non-cash expenditure. यानी net profit calculate करते समय depreciation deduct हुआ है, पर उसके सामने कोई cash का outflow नहीं है. So we add back. Then interest, loss on sale of asset, interest, dividend received हम माइनस करते हैं, एंड प्रॉफिट ऑन सेल ऑफ एसेट. ये सब आपके नॉन ऑपरेटिंग आइटम्स है. Then changes in working capital. So remember, increase in current liability will lead to add. Decrease in current assets, opposite of this, add. Increase in current assets, subtract. Decrease in current liabilities, subtract. जब ये सबका आपका सब्ट्रैक्शन एडिशन नकरा करोगे आपको जो आंसर मिलेगा, दैट विल बी कैश फ्रॉम ऑपरेटिंग एक्टिविटीज. Decrease in current assets is addition, therefore increase in current assets is subtraction. Increase in current liabilities is addition, therefore decrease in current liabilities is subtraction. you remember only two things, the other two you will get it automatically. Fine. Now cash from investing activities, उसमें आप ऐड करेंगे इंटरेस्ट डिविडेंड व्हाट यू हैव रिसीव्ड जो वहाँ से माइनस हुआ था, देन सेल ऑफ एसेट इन्वेस्टमेंट्स, और सब्ट्रैक्ट करोगे परचेज ऑफ फिक्स एसेट्स और इन्वेस्टमेंट्स. जो भी आंसर आएगा दैट इज नेट कैश फ्रॉम इन्वेस्टिंग एक्टिविटीज. थर्ड पार्ट इज कैश फ्लो फ्रॉम फाइनेंसिंग एक्टिविटीज, दैट इज इशू ऑफ शेयर्स, लोन टेकन, रिडम्पशन ऑफ शेयर्स, सो दैट यू आर मेकिंग द पेमेंट, सो इट इज सब्ट्रैक्टेड, लोन रीपेमेंट, interest dividend paid, so that is again payment, so it is subtracted. You get net cash from financing activities. ये सब में आप आपका कैश का बैलेंस ऐड कर दो, you will come to know closing balance of cash. So once I have this in front of me, I will come to know why my cash balance opening was this and why my closing balance is this. And I have divided my all business operations of cash into three parts. Which three parts? Operating activities, investing activities and financing activities. ठीक है? ठीक है? Okay. So now we see a problem. Simple example. Opening balance of cash is given, closing balance of cash is given, decrease in stock is given, increase in bills payable is given, sale of fixed asset is given, payment in long-term loan, net profit for the year. So I started with net profit for the year. उसमें हम ऐड करेंगे, बोलिए, डिक्रीज इन स्टॉक इज डिक्रीज इन करंट एसेट्स, so we will add. Increase in bills payable, also we will add. There are no other things that are they have given, so ये मिला के आपको मिल जाएगा नेट कैश फ्रॉम ऑपरेटिंग एक्टिविटीज. कैश फ्लो फ्रॉम इन्वेस्टिंग एक्टिविटीज इज योर पार्ट 2. उसमें आपका सेल ऑफ फिक्स एसेट्स आएगा 60,000 का, बाकी कुछ दिया नहीं है. कैश फ्लो फ्रॉम फाइनेंसिंग एक्टिविटीज़ में रीपेमेंट ऑफ लॉन्ग टर्म लोन 1 लाख, बाकी कुछ दिया नहीं है. अब जो आपका नेट इंक्रीज इन कैश एंड कैश इक्विवेलेंट होगा वो A + B - C होगा, -C बिकॉज दिस इज रीपेमेंट. उसमें आप आपका कैश बैलेंस ऐड कर दो. सो वेलकम टू नो कैश बैलेंस एट द एंड. Understood or not understood? Not complicated, so don't make it complicated. Exactly same thing in example number 2. So here was my attempt as per request by some students to cover up these 3 chapters which I don't want you to attempt in the exam because this is lot of calculation. For me to speak the numbers when numbers are already printed, or for you to understand when numbers are already printed is very easy. Don't get carried away. You'll have to sit and calculate. So, if it's asked compulsory, we have no choice. Given the choice, this is not my choice. Right? Bye. All the best. See you.